Affordable pre-selling within Metro Manila na 2-story townhouse at complete finish. Hi everyone, this is Vivian, your real estate salesperson. Tara samahan niyo ako ulit sa aking another quick house tour. Dito lang yan sa Amparo Subdivision, Caloocan City. Welcome to Marang Residences. Imagine, for only 29K monthly, makakatira ka na sa Metro Manila at makakalipat agad upon completion of 20% lang na down payment na payable pa within 12 months. Isa pa sa nagustuhan ko dito, since nasa Metro Manila lang siya, malapit lang ito sa major establishments na kailangan ng pamilya mo. Andyan ang school, hospital, shopping malls, at supermarkets and wet markets. 4.9 km sa Fairview Terraces, 3.6 km naman sa Robinsons and Ayala Malls, 6.2 km naman sa SM City San Jose, and 3.8 km naman sa Pure Gold Quirino Highway. At what you see is what you get dito sa aming house tour, and since complete finish turnover, complete bathroom fixtures na rin tayo. Ganon din sa countertop. Meron itong total lot area na 52.5 square meter at floor area na 68 square meter. Meron itong 3 bedroom, 2 toilet and bath, 1 car garage and service area. Kaya naman I really appreciate na talaga namang na-maximize nila ang space. Isa pa ay allow dito ang renovation or extension ng bahay mo upon turnover. And the total contract price of the regular unit is 4,800,000. Para naman sa ating down payment, 20% na 930,000. And you can reserve it for only 30,000 na deductible naman sa ating down payment. And the remaining 80% ay loanable via bank financing and in-house financing. 29K lang ang monthly, maximum of 20 years. And take note guys, wala ka nang poproblemahin dahil kami na rin ang magpa-process ng loan mo. At kung ang hanap mo naman ay end unit na mas malawak, huwag kang mag-alala dahil nag-o-offer din kami. And also take advantage of our 5% or 100K discount if 30% DP is paid within 60 days. Limited units lang to guys, baka maubusan ka pa. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Tara, usap tayo. Again, this is Vivian, your real estate salesperson. If you're interested, you can message me or call me on the number provided in the screen. Pwede rin sa aking Facebook page or TikTok. And please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Modern Home PH. See you sa aking susunod na house tour. Bye!